Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two popular dash cams in the market, the ROVE R2-4K Pro dash cam and the Cosuvow dash cam 4K front dash camera for cars. First up, we have the ROVE R2-4K Pro dash cam. This advanced dash cam boasts a 4K UHD recording capability at 2160p and 30 frames per second. With its super night vision feature, you can capture clear footage even in low-light conditions. One standout feature of the ROVE R2-4K Pro is its ability to pair with your smartphones via advanced 5G Wi-Fi. Using the ROVE Dash Cam app, you can easily view, download, and share your videos with friends and family. Plus, you can conveniently adjust the settings of your dash cam right from the app. This dash cam also comes with built-in GPS, allowing you to view real-time speed and compass readings directly on the LCD screen. It's great for keeping track of your driving routes and adding extra evidence to your videos. The ROVE R2-4K Pro is packed with state-of-the-art technology, including a supercapacitor for extended product life, voice guidance, and alerts, a wide-angle lens, and support for micro SD cards, up to 512 gigabytes. And let's not forget the custom-designed parking mode, which offers 3 options for 24-hour monitoring, time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. Just make sure to get the hardwire kit for this feature. Finally, ROVE is a customer-centric company based in the USA, providing excellent customer care and a hassle-free 1-year warranty. And if you have any doubts, they offer a full refund within 30 days. Now let's move on to the Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K front dash camera for cars. This mini dash cam is equipped with an advanced Starvis sensor and a 6-glass lens, delivering Ultra HD 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. Unlike our previous product, this dash cam offers Wi-Fi app control. With the dedicated app for iOS and Android smartphones, you can easily access live footage, replay recordings, download videos, and even share your journeys with a single tap. The G-sensor and loop recording features automatically start recording a 15-second video when a collision or shaking is detected. This can be incredibly valuable in providing evidence in case of accidents. Just remember, you'll need the hardwire kit for this feature too. The Cosuvow dash cam sports a fashionable mini design that won't obstruct your view while driving. You can even adjust the angle up or down by 15 degrees to get the best view of the road. Installation and setup are made easy with the included user manual. This dash cam also offers 24-hour parking monitoring and time-lapse recording. It automatically captures any potential events around your vehicle and protects it from theft or vandalism. Again, don't forget the hardwire kit for this feature. And to sweeten the deal, the Cosuvow dash cam comes with a free 32 GB SD card, supports memory cards up to 128 GB, and offers a 24-month warranty with a 30-day full refund policy. Their dedicated customer support team is always ready to assist you. When it comes to video quality, both dash cams excel. The ROVE R2-4K Pro offers stunning 4K UHD resolution, while the Cosuvow dash cam delivers impressive Ultra HD 4K footage. You won't miss any details with either of these cameras. However, the ROVE R2-4K Pro takes the edge here with its super night vision feature, providing clearer footage in low-light conditions. In terms of connectivity, the ROVE R2-4K Pro takes the lead with its advanced 5G Wi-Fi. Pairing your smartphones and accessing the dash cam's features through the ROVE Dash Cam app is a breeze. On the other hand, the Cosuvow dash cam offers Wi-Fi app control, allowing you to easily view and share your videos. It's a convenient option for those who prefer smartphone control. When it comes to parking mode, both dash cams offer valuable features. The ROVE R2-4K Pro's custom-designed 24-hour parking mode provides options for time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. Similarly, the Cosuvow dashcam offers 24-hour parking monitoring and time-lapse recording, ensuring the safety of your vehicle. And there you have it, folks. A comparison between the ROVE R2-4K Pro dashcam and the Cosuvow dashcam 4K front dash camera for cars. Both products have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Remember, always do thorough research and consider your specific requirements before making a purchase. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay smart and buy smart.